Hi guys, it's Hari with Innovative Dental Technologies. First and foremost, I want to say thank you and for everybody who supported ReLeaf. It really means the world to us. Today we wanted to make a video on just what you get when you purchase a standard kit of ReLeaf. We've been getting a lot of questions on how much hose hardware do I get? Do I have enough to cycle through a patient? How do I even sterilize ReLeaf? In today's video, we're going to talk to you all about kind of the ins and outs, more in-depth look at the technology it does and how it can just make your practice way more efficient. Right now I'm holding the HVE Hose Hardware. When you purchase a standard kit, you get this piece right here. One end connects to your HVE suction port, and the other end would hang onto your dental chair rack right here. It's kind of cone shaped too, and it'll just slide right in there. When you have a patient, you just grab your 8-inch hose piece and your U-bend connector, and it just simply attaches like so, and then ReLeaf connects to this portion right here. You'll then notice that everything in this, all these components right here is autoclavable. We highly recommend that you place it in a ultrasonic solution for your desired time, 15-20 minutes, and then put it in a wrap cycle in your autoclave or Statum, and that should get everything ready for your next patient. Some other questions is about the HVE Hose Hardware. We'll dive in a little bit closer and talk about this U-bend right here, this 8mm U-bend, and why is it important to have an equal length bend throughout this. So let's dive in a little closer. So when you buy a standard kit, you're going to get 6 of these 8-inch hoses and 6 of the U-bends. This should be enough to cycle through your patients throughout your day. We wanted to kind of get a close-up of the U-bend because there was some questions about, is it 8mm? And as you can see with this cutout, it is 8mm out here, and it's an equal length bend throughout. This will ensure consistent evacuation and of debris, of aerosols, so on and so forth. Many of hygienists have had concerns with wanting to utilize an 8mm suction orifice when evacuating aerosols or debris during an ultrasonic scaling. We wanted to show this video to kind of show you how ReLeaf suctions around its edge, and if you see it when you get the ReLeaf, you can see how it opens up, but you can see how well it closes as well and locks into place. And you can also see it's 280-degree suction around its edge. You can see how well that throughout the whole edge of ReLeaf it suctions. And we also have a 4.5mm suction orifice right here, but this edge is actually 152mm all the way around. And why this is beneficial than a single orifice device is because if it ever gets clogged in any portion of it, suction will still remain at the other angles. So you get consistent suction and consistent evacuation. Thanks for watching this video, guys. We really appreciate your guys' support. We've also gotten some questions about where to order. All major distributors, Patterson, Henry Schein, Benco, Safeco, all the major distributors carry ReLeaf, so just ask your dental sales rep about ReLeaf. We do have ample stock at the Colzer warehouse, so if it does say back order on your distributor, we're also sending inventory to the distributor as soon as possible. So just keep that in mind. Yet again, thank you for your support and thanks for watching.